Hello and welcome home to Algeciras Drive. Come inside. You are in for a treat. This property sits on just under 8,000 square feet of lot. You've got a ton of room because it's a corner lot. You get to do a lot with this property. The house itself is 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and just a little under 1,700 square feet. You've got a nice entry living room, dining room concept that is flanked by the fireplace. You don't see brick fireplaces like this too often. You've got very nice plush carpets. What's also nice about this property is it has all of the important updates. Dual pane windows, good roof. You've got fresh paint throughout the property, but the clients also left it somewhat of a blank canvas to you to bring your own energy and enthusiasm to your decor style. So let's come over here and I want to take you into the kitchen. This is a galley kitchen, which is nice because you get both sides of the kitchen to work with. You've got the nice breakfast nook with a beautiful window that looks outside so you can see who's coming up to your door. But I also love that added privacy with your white picket fence gate. That's a nice little touch. What I love about the kitchen is you have a little bit of old and you have a little bit of new. You've got beautiful wood laminate flooring, this nice spaceway to get in and out. You've got some older tile on the counters, but you can switch those out and still enjoy this beautiful cabinetry. You know, they don't make cabinets like they used to. Fortunately for you, these are the used to. So they're good, solid cabinets. You can paint them, you can keep them the way you want. You've got room for your appliances, a built-in microwave range, stove top, refrigerator, dishwasher. But I love the height of the ceilings in here, so it doesn't make it feel so compact. And then you have ample storage in this kitchen. Imagine getting your food ready here with all this countertop space. You're cooking over here, you're prepping here. You still have room with your pantry. It is just one of those perfect kitchens for those small families or those growing families. And then right outside of your kitchen is your den, or I guess you could call it the family room if you'd like, but it is a step down. What's nice about this space is you've got vaulted ceilings, so it really feels like close to about 500 square feet of space in here. And with all of the windows, it just adds this natural sunshine that just pours inside. You get the beautiful view of your backyard, but I love how it's separate from the rest of the house. So if you want to do entertaining, if you want to have the parties here, the get-togethers, you know, this can also be a man cave space for those of you that don't get the rest of the house. We know what that's like being married. But you could do that with this property. Let's go inside and see the bedrooms. Come inside to the master bedroom, as you know, where all the magic happens. What I think is a really nice benefit of this property is because of the age, it was built in 1957, a lot of the homes out here in La Mirada, La Habra, some parts of Fullerton that were built in the 50s, they didn't make these homes where you had this big master. All of the rooms were practical. They were all the same size, and you never got an ensuite with your own master. So that's why I say this is a nice treat for this property, because you have a very spacious master bedroom, 8-foot high ceilings. All the bedrooms come with ceiling fans. You've got the new dual pane windows. You've got some custom cabinets and closet space here for you, but you also have your ensuite, which is really nice when you have a 3-bedroom plus a master. You really only see it in the much newer homes or the 4-bedroom properties. Enjoy the rest of the bedrooms and baths, and I'll meet you outside. Did you enjoy inside? Are you ready for this backyard or what? Get over here. So this space, remember, we're talking just under 8,000 square foot lots, a corner lot, so you get a lot of room to do what you want. We're standing in the brick patio area. You could do a lot with this space here. It can really be your zen place if you'd like. You can turn it into a little entertaining area, put some nice tables. Heck, you can turn this spot into your outdoor kitchen or barbecue area. You've got enough shade from your olive tree here. Now, full disclosure, you've got Los Coyotes Middle School right across the street, which is great if you have children. I can tell you from experience, there's no better feeling than being able to walk your kids a few steps over to their school. It's just awesome. So let's take you over here on the other side of the bushes here, because you have a lot more space to play with. You could build a pool, you could put a trampoline in. You got kids in sports, you could set up a little batting cage system for them, or you can create some orchards, you could create a vegetable garden, maybe even put up a hen coop. You've got a storage facility right here. You have a lot of space, and that's just the side yard. Take a look at all of this room back here. I mean, you really can do whatever it is your heart desires. And that's what I love about this lot, because if you don't want to add more to your backyard, you just want to enjoy what you have, you can. Let's say you want to add square footage to your home. You have enough space here, guys, to add on possibly another 1,000 square feet to your home. Now, one of my favorite things of many of this property is the fact that you have plenty of citrus trees. I think that's really important this day and age, being able to grow your own fruits, your own vegetables, and create really a farm-to-table atmosphere within your own home. I mean, look at how beautiful the citruses are here. These oranges are just amazing. And then you've got the tangerine trees here as well. Can you just imagine with the kids coming in, getting your harvest, enjoying memories, having good conversation with them, for your friends? You got fruits. If you like making cocktails like my wife and I do, you can make a couple of good margaritas with these bad boys, or freshly squeezed orange juice in the morning to start your day. That's what you get with Algeciras Drive. I'll meet you in the front and we'll recap this beautiful home. Did you enjoy Algeciras Drive? This property, let's recap it, guys. 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, just under 1,700-ish square feet, brand new windows. You've got plush carpet, freshly painted, nice lighting fixtures. The lot, let's not forget this beautiful lot. I mean, you have space to do what you want here. And then of course, the accessibility to everything, right? We're a gateway city here in La Mirada. You have access to everything that LA County has to offer. You've got the best school steps from this property. If you want to go out and have fun, you've got the splash pad and park down the street. You've got the regional park for all your outdoor activities. And then if you want to go to Orange County, you can. You've got the amusement parks like Disneyland, Knott's, the theme parks. You have the sporting parks. Let's not forget Orange County beaches. You get that with this property. And having sold a few homes in this neighborhood, let me tell you, these homes do not stay on the market long. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see this home before anybody else, or if you just want to see it in person to fall in love, call me or text me, 714-335-0844, because I promise you this home will not last long. Have a great day, but I got to go sell this property. Take care.